Alright, and we're back, and one of the first things I want to point out to you is since we had created a couple of users using the user add utility, we now see those as options in this logon screen. We're going to stick with the John account. Hopefully it'll come up relatively quick. And yeah, it's taking a little while here, so I'll pause it again. Alright, we're back. Bringing back the terminal here in a second. And we're back, and that was shut down. Next thing we need to show you is the VI editor. This is a built-in command line editor, very versatile, very old. It's one of the older programs that come integrated with Linux and with the Unix flavors. And it is extremely versatile. Entire books have been written on how to use this one program, on how to insert text, delete text, copy and paste, move stuff around. And there's an expectation that if you're going to know Linux, that you will know some of the commands that you need to use in order to work with the VI editor. We're typing in VI now, and we'll type in the file name that we will be working on. I'll just call it file 3. So now we're inside file 3. You see down there on the bottom, it says new file. And right now we're in the command mode. We have this is where you'll be able to move around text, be able to write stuff to disk, write your file to disk, that sort of thing. And to get out of this, we are going to hit the key I for insert. And after that, we should be able to type in, and we see that. We'll do a quick brown fox. Jumped over the lazy dog, and I'm not going to worry about any mistakes I might be making. So I've done a little work. Might have written up a Perl script, Python script, something like that. And now I want to save it. I'm hitting the escape key to get out of the working mode and into the command mode. Once I do that, I hit the colon. You see it appearing down at the bottom. Right, it's not appearing right underneath the quick brown fox sentence there, because we are no longer in the working mode. We're in the command mode. And I'm going to write it and quit and hit enter. And if I did it right, that's what we see there. So if we do an ls, we have file 3. And if we, let's see, what do I want to do on the cat? File 3. And there you see the text that is inside that file that we just created there. So that's VI. Next thing I'm going to show you is apt-get. Apt, APT, is Advanced Packaging Tool. It is the software installation tool that I believe Debian also uses this, and of course Ubuntu. And we have to use sudo say sudo apt get install, and let's see if nmap is available. Type in the password. Nmap is already the newest version, so it's already installed in here. We'll do sudo apt get install, and let's do Nagios. Unable to locate it. Trying to think. Yeah. There we go. Okay, Puppet, which is a configuration management tool. If I install that, we'll be giving up 37 megs. Do we want to continue? Yes or no? I'm going to hit yes. And it is going to install now Puppet and all of its dependencies, all the other programs that you will need to have installed on your machine in order to run Puppet. And you're reaching out to the software repository. While this is going on, I'll show you. We had the GUI that I showed you earlier, the Ubuntu software repository. That was that. And we're just going to the command line version of that. All right, this will probably take some time, so what I'm going to do is do a quick pause, and I will keep coming back when it's finished up.